And I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video of Claude Masterclass. And by this point, I hope that you already had some idea about Claude, what it is, and why is it better than any other AI in the market available right now. So I was playing with that Claude, and as you can see, I have asked it to give me well, give me an idea about my own writing. So it checked my Gmail, it tried to check my Google Drive, but it couldn't access that. And finally, it gave me this summary of my writing. Oh, I have to say that it doesn't represent my whole everything because this Google account, I don't use it very much. Anyway, I'm going to talk about the extension in this video. Extension, I like this connector, but with the local file. This is why the desktop version, not the web version, the desktop version is better in creating extension. So what are extension? You can give Claude permission to read write your local file and system, send message or read message, and you can install it in your desktop version and it can browse through your computer. It can install specific tools to control Chrome and also read and write PDF tools and summarize massive local PDF file. And this is extension. So how do I use this extension? Well, to use the extension, you need to go to settings to access the extension, and here you will see browse extension. And for that, I'll need this, let's say Chrome control. Let's install this. Okay, it is available only on the Mac. Let's see if we can work with other. If we can work with PDF. Yeah, seems we can. It's going to get installed. Now, remember the skill? The skills and artifact were mini project created within AI, but these tools are actually different kind of software that is working with the Claude AI. You can also configure this. And that means now we can also generate and create PDF within Claude API, Claude AI. And we also have Desktop Commander. What it does, combine local file system, access full terminal control, and handle technical tasks to natural language. Desktop Commander empower you to build, automate from organizing a repository, creating complete application. Create features and application with simple command. Keep track of project details and technical specification. Now we get to understand complex repositories. Let's try something else. You can also use this to send and read messages. Use Figma. You can also use Spotify, Postman, if you're a developer. And if you use this file system, you can ask Claude to actually access your file and work with it. Let's see if you can work with the file system. I'm going to give it access to desktop for now. and enable it. Now, if I go back to our chat, let's create a new chat and ask it what folder do I have in my desktop. And as you can see, it is trying to access the desktop with its file commander extension and asking for my permission to access. I just have a one folder, which is new folder, and that is really true. I actually do have just a single folder called new folder. I do keep my desktop clean. Okay, then there you go. Now you know how you can use extension from the setting and how you can. It's really better experience if you are working in a Mac. So if you are a Mac user, congratulations. That'll be all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.